Hello, and welcome to my ongoing series of tutorials on how to use PrusaSlicer. Today, we are going to be going over how to add files into PrusaSlicer in order to slice them and finally print them. Now, there are three main ways to add a file to PrusaSlicer. The first and easiest option is to simply mouse over this box up here. This is the Add tool, and if we click it, it will allow us to search through our computer to look for 3D models for printing. So I simply select the model that I want. In this case, it is an STL file, and I hit open, and the file is imported into PrusaSlicer. Another way to do this is to hit Control-I. This will open up the same menu and allow you to select files once again. Now, if you add multiple files into PrusaSlicer, they are always added to the very center of the print bed. This is obviously a problem because if we attempt to print like this, the two models will be overlapped. So we need to move them out of the way. Another option when you are adding files is to go to File, Import, and Import STL. If I want to import multiple files at once, I can Control-click multiple files and hit Open, and they will all be opened simultaneously in PrusaSlicer. But once again, I need to move them out of the way so there's no problems when they print. That's all for now. Next time we'll be going over slicing files in PrusaSlicer. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope you found this video useful. Have a great one.